Hello 7th standard students. We are discussing about the lesson exponents and powers. Now coming to the law 2nd B. We have learnt about two laws, the law 1 and law 2A. First was about the multiplication, second was about the division. Now law 2B. In this, if x is any rational number and x is not equal to 0, m and n are positive integers such that m is less than n. M is less than n, then x to the power m divided by x to the power n is equal to 1 upon x to the power n minus n. See, x is the base. It is any rational number, but it should not be equal to 0. And usually, if m is greater than n in the second law, it was m was greater than n, so m minus n. But now m is less than n, then it has to be the reciprocal. So 1 upon x to the power n minus n. Okay. Now coming to the example 7. Simplify the 3 by 7 the whole power 4 divided by 3 by 7 the whole power 6. Now bases are same, isn't it? Division, but first power is less than the second. So what is the rule? 1 upon x to the power 6 minus 4. Sorry, x के जगह में क्या डालने का? 3 by 7. Now 1 upon 3 by 7 क्या आया? 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay. So when the first power is less than the second, you have to put it in the denominator. Now third law is x to the power 0 is equal to 1, where x is a non-zero rational number. So base should not be equal to 0 and it is a rational number. If the power is 0, the answer is always 1. Remember, if the power is 1, the number itself. If the power is 0, the answer is 1. Now coming to the example 8. Simplify this and express the result in the exponential form. So it is minus 1 by 3 the whole power 2, again bracket open and the power 3. See, it is the law 5. What does it say? When there is a bracket, you have to multiply. So law 4 says x to the power m the whole raised to n is equal to x to the power m into n. The power should be multiplied. Understood? When there is a bracket, so x to the power mn. Here x is not equal to 0, but it is any rational number. M and n are integers. Okay. So it is a minus 1 by 3 the whole raised to 2 and 3, isn't it? So we have to multiply 2 into 3. Exponential form बोले हैं. So just write the base and 3 2s are 6. In between multiplication sign रहेगा तो add the powers. लेकिन इधर bracket है तो multiply the powers. Now law 4 is this one. Understood? Same. Now coming to the example 9. Find the value of x. अभी क्वेश्चन है 2 by 5 the whole raised to 3 the whole raised to again raised to 2 is equal to 2 by 5 the whole raised to 2x. First, using this law, solve this. So it will be 2 by 5 the whole raised to. When there is a bracket, what we have to do? Multiply the powers. Isn't it? and on the right side it will be 2 by 5 the whole raised to 2x. Now this one, how much it will be? 2 by 5 the whole raised to 3 2s are 6. And here it will be 2 by 5 the whole raised to 2x. Now what we have to write? When the bases are same, when the bases are same, the powers are equal. Our exponents are equal. When the bases are same, the powers are equal. That is 6 is equal to 2x. Power इधर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में पावर क्या है? 6. राइट हैंड साइड के पावर 2x. तो दे आर इक्वल. नाउ x इधर ही रखो. 6 ये 2 इस तरफ आने के वक्त डिवाइड. सो 2 1s are 2 3s are. सो x का वैल्यू कितना आया? इज 3. अंडरस्टूड? So this was about the example 9. So पहले the bases को सेम करने का LHS और RHS में, फिर ये सेंटेंस लिखने का we equate the powers. ऐसे भी सेंटेंस आता है when bases are same we equate the powers. नहीं तो when the bases are same the exponents are equal. So that was about the example 9. Now coming to the worksheet 4. In worksheet 4, fill in the blanks. First question. So 16 to the power 15 divide by 16 to the power 19. अभी बेसेस सेम है, डिविजन है, लेकिन फर्स्ट पावर इज लेस देन द सेकेंड वन. So what we have to do? 1 upon second power minus the first one. So 19 minus 15 will be how much? It is 4. The answer is 1 upon 16 to the power 4. अभी इधर 11 by 12 इधर नहीं दिया है 11 by 12. So it is division और इधर 1 by 11 by 12. मतलब क्या है? द सेकेंड पावर शुड बी ग्रेटर. इधर 2 दिया है. सो 22 माइनस हाउ मच इज 2? 22 माइनस 20. इज इट क्लियर? सो डिनोमिनेटर में मतलब सेकेंड पावर इज ग्रेटर. नाउ हियर इट इज 1 अपॉन 3 स्क्वेयर्ड और ब्रैकेट डाले हैं और उधर कितना है पूछे. इधर 1 by 3 to the power 6. मतलब ये इधर ब्रैकेट है तो मतलब क्या है? 1 by 3 squared into how much is 1 by 3 to the power 6? 2 3s are 6 है ना. सो इधर कितना आएगा? 3. ओके. नाउ कमिंग टू द फोर्थ सम. इट इज -1 by 2 -1 by 2. बेसेस सेम. इधर ब्रैकेट है मतलब 4 2s are हाउ मच? 4 2s are 8. Now here 1 by 12 the whole power 5 divide by 1 by 12 the whole power 5. The bases are same. In between division, subtract the powers. 5 minus 5 is 0. Now here -1 by 7 -1 by 7. Here it is 0 power. The bracket and 7 power is 7. So what we will do? Bracket is there. That means multiply. 0 into 7 is 0. Clear? Hope everyone understood the fill in the blanks. Be careful which law we have to use, you have to think. Okay? So that was about a worksheet 4, question number 1. Now coming to the question number 2. Simplify and express in the exponential form. Now 9 by 2, the whole power 0 and the whole raised to 5. So means it is bracket है तो क्या करते हैं? Multiply the powers. So 9 by 2, the whole raised to 0 into 5 is 0. See, they have asked exponential form, so you have to write in this way. If they ask the solve or evaluate, then the answer will be 1. But they have asked exponential form. Okay, now coming to the second subdivision, it is a minus 5 by 17 is the base and 6 power is 6 and the whole power is 3. So multiply by 3. So it will be minus 5 by 17, the whole raised to 6 3 is 18. Now the third subdivision, 4 by 7, the whole raised to 4, again raised to 4, means 4 4s. 4 by 7, the whole raised to 4 4s 16. Hope everyone is understanding. When the powers, it is bracket is there, then we have to multiply. Okay, now here we have to do extra work, isn't it? So within the bracket, the powers, the bases are same, in between multiplication, so we have to add the powers. First we have to do that. So minus 2 by 5, bases are same, in between multiplication sign, so add the powers. It will be 3 plus 2, then raised to bracket 4. So this becomes minus 2 by 5, the whole raised to 3 plus 2 is 5, again raised to 4. Now the step is minus 2 by 5, the whole raised to. Now the bracket is there. That means what? Multiply 5 into 4. So our final answer is minus 2 by 5, the whole raised to 5 4s 20. सबको समझ में आ गए? So it is पहले ये सॉल्व करने का, इन बिटवीन मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, इसके लिए ऐड द पावर्स, फिर ब्रैकेट है, इसके लिए मल्टीप्लाई द पावर्स. Okay, now coming to the fifth subdivision, 3 by 5 is the base and it is a division. Okay, now first is smaller, isn't it? First power is smaller. So what we have to do? 1 upon, isn't it? 3 by 5, the whole raised to second power minus the first. Okay, 1 upon 3 by 5, that is the base, second power minus the first power. So 1 upon 3 by 5, the whole raised to 8 minus 3 is 5. Okay, now this you have learnt in the earlier worksheet. When it is in the denominator, this goes to the, isn't it, 5 by 3, the whole raised to 5. डिनोमिनेटर में जो भी है उसको न्यूमरेटर में रेसिप्रोकल करने का है ना. 5 न्यूमरेटर, 3 डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा और पावर एज इट इज. Okay, now coming to the fifth sum, it is sixth sum, 12 by 5. Here it is multiplication, so इधर का पावर 0 है, इधर का पावर कितना है 1 है ना, it is a plus 1. The whole raised to how much? 5. So 12 by 5, the whole raised to, इधर कितना है 1 और the whole raised to 5. 0 plus 1 is 1. नहीं लिखेंगे तो भी ठीक है, लेकिन इधर हमें लिखने का है आगे. So 12 by 5 मल्टीप्लाई करने का, 1 5s are 5. So 12 by 5, the whole raised to how much? 5 1s are 5. Hope you understood this second sum, everyone. So we have to simplify and write in the exponential form. Okay then, bye. Thank you. Take care.